If there is a model for woman infrastructure in an organization dominated by male officials, it is Undersecretary Maria Catalina E. Cabral, who made history as the first female rank-and-file employee to reach the level of Undersecretary at the Department of Public Works and Highways, the government's engineering and construction arm. As the Undersecretary for Planning and Public-Private Partnership (PPP), Undersecretary Cabral oversees the DPWH's infrastructure planning and programming, as well as the PPP projects that the department implements. Undersecretary Cabral is a licensed civil engineer who holds 3 doctorate degrees in business management, public administration, and urban and regional planning. She has also completed 3 master's degrees in business and strategic economics, as well as certificates from international schools in Wharton Business School and Harvard Kennedy School in Data Analytics, Government Digital Transformation, Public Policy, and Executive Program Accelerated Artificial Intelligence. She holds the distinction of being the first female president of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers (PIC) for 2017-2018 and served as the national president of the Road Engineering Association of the Philippines from 2019 to 2021. In 2021, she also held the professorial chair in engineering science and technology at the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Her competence, excellence, and commendable track record have earned her numerous awards and recognitions, including the 2021 PEZA Galing Pinas Ecozone Partnership Award, the 2020 Excellence Award from the Philippine Federations of Professional Associations, the 2018 Most Outstanding Alumni Award from the College of Engineering, and the 2021 Most Outstanding Alumni from the University of the East. Additionally, the JCI Senate Philippines named her one of the 5 outstanding Filipino TOEFL awardees laureates for government and public service in 2022. She has also received the Manila Times Global Excellence Award in 2023. The 2023 Brand Asia Award is Top Leader of Excellence in Humanitarian and Public Service, the 2023 Philippine Resilience Awards for Women, and the 2024 Circle of Excellence awardee ASIAC Woman of the Year. Beyond local recognition, she has been nominated for several international awards, including the World Federation of Engineering Organization's 3 Women in Engineering Award in 2019, the United Nations Public Service Awards for SDG 5 Gender and Equality in 2022, and the Asian Civil Engineering Coordinating Council ACCC Achievement Award in 2022. She was also named the 2021 Outstanding Professional of the Year in Civil Engineering by the Professional Regulation Commission (PRC). She has also recently been nominated for the 2024 Women's International Network on Disaster Risk Reduction (WINDRR) and the Presidential Gawad Seas Award. Undersecretary Cabral is also a commissioned officer in the Reserve Force of the Armed Forces of the Philippines with the rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Philippine Army, also the Undersecretary for Planning Service (PS), Public-Private Partnership Service (PPPS), and Information Management Service (IMS) shall have overall supervision and control over the said offices. A veteran bureaucrat once hailed for breaking barriers in the male-dominated world of engineering is now caught in the eye of the storm over alleged insertions in the 2026 national budget. Panfilo Lacson alleged that the Department of Public Works and Highways DPWH Undersecretary Maria Catalina Cabral phoned the office of Senate Minority Leader Vicente Tito Sato III shortly after the May 2025 elections to invite proposed budgetary insertions. Lacson said Sato turned down the offer, citing his advocacy for transparency and good governance. The accusation has startled many inside the DPWH, where Cabral, 62, has long been seen as a career professional who keeps her head down and follows orders, according to one insider. Cabral began at the agency as a working student before rising steadily through the ranks. She became Undersecretary for Planning under then Secretary Rogelio Singson during the Aquino administration and was later retained by his successors Mark Villar and Manuel Benoit. At one point, she was put on floating status under Acting Secretary Roger Mercado. Though known for her modest lifestyle eschewing luxury watches or flashy jewelry, she once raised eyebrows when she was spotted in Valentino shoes worth around Philippine peso 60,000 a pair. The DPWH has been thrust into the center of a brewing institutional clash between Malacagang and Congress over alleged budget insertions. Cabral has been recognized for breaking ground in a male-dominated field. She was the first female rank-and-file employee to become a DPWH Undersecretary, the first woman president of the Philippine Institute of Civil Engineers (PIC), and later the national president of the Road Engineering Association of the Philippines. Her academic record is equally formidable, a licensed civil engineer with doctorates in business management, public administration, and urban and regional planning, along with master's degrees in business and strategic economics. She has also attended executive programs at Wharton and Harvard Kennedy School. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.